Whitehaven Coal is Australia's leading producer of high-energy, low-ash coal. It owns and operates 4 mines in the resource-rich Gunnedah Basin in northwest New South Wales.
One of these mines is the Narrabri coal mine. Situated 30 kilometres south-southeast of Narrabri and 60 kilometres northwest of Gunnedah.
The mine has direct rail access to the world's largest coal shipping port in Newcastle, and from there into the growing Asian export market.
The site consists of an underground mine, coal handling preparation plant and train loadout facilities.
Construction of the mine began in 2008, with the first development coal introduced to the seaborne market in 2010. It became fully operational in 2012. The mine produces high-quality thermal coal for power generation and PCI coal used in steelmaking. The operation runs 24 hours, 7 days a week, and employs around 500 people, with the majority locally based.
It's currently approved to produce 11 million tonnes of run-of-mine coal per annum until 2044. Whitehaven has received approval for an extension to the mining licence known as the Narrabri Stage 3 Extension Project.
The proposal is to extract coal to the south of the existing mine lease and within the existing exploration licence area. Coal will be mined using the longwall method and existing surface infrastructure, including the existing CHPP, rail loop and box cut.
The extension will provide access to additional coal reserves and extend the life of the mine to 2044.
Whitehaven has reviewed various mine plans to identify the most efficient, safe and commercially sound plan to extract the coal reserves across the current mining lease and exploration licence area. To this end, the proposed mine plan, which incorporates the Stage 3 extension, will access the coal reserves via a series of main roadways. To access the coal reserve in the extended southern panels, additional mains will be developed. 300-301 Mains Roadway. The development of these roadways will give access to longwall panels of up to 6 kilometres long. The Narrabri underground mine uses a semi-automated longwall mining technique to extract coal from the Hoskisson's coal seam. Underground mining requires the excavation of a box cut to access the underground resource. Surface infrastructure is needed to move coal from underground, to be processed at the wash plant and stockpiled before being loaded onto trains. Once the seam was identified and quantified, the main roadways were excavated to access the coal seam. Gate roads are then excavated up to 4 kilometres in length from the main roadways, out into the seam. They are then joined to create a 400-metre longwall panel.
Each longwall shear is about 1 metre into the coal seam and between 3.7 to 4.3 metres high.
The longwall equipment self-advances after each shear. As the coal is extracted, it's collected by the armoured face conveyor and transported to the conveyor system for delivery to the surface. At the surface, coal is stored on the ROM stockpile before processing at the Coal Handling Preparation Plant, the CHPP. At the CHPP, coal is either crushed or sent through to bypass, or crushed, washed and separated to produce PCI or thermal coal. The processed coal is then stored on the product stockpile, ready for transport by rail to the Port of Newcastle.
Mining at Narrabri has been completed from Longwall 101 into Longwall 110, with the extraction of Longwall 203 starting in April 2023. As mining progresses further west, depth of cover increases from 160 metres at Longwall 101 to 400 metres at Longwall 111, with the overlaying conglomerate strata thickening to the northwest. The mining sequence ensures access to the lower depth of cover, high production, low ash coal early in the mine life. The existing high-reach longwall will mine the thicker lower depth of cover longwall panels to the east of the mine. A new longwall will mine the thinner, higher depth of covered coal to the west of the mine. The new longwall system will be purchased and installed for the start of longwall 206. Once installed, the existing and new longwalls will operate in a walk-on, walk-off sequence. This means the approximately 6-week period of downtime required to move the longwall each year will be eliminated. Eliminating downtime will allow for continuous longwall production year-round, increasing annual production rates until the completion of longwall 209 in 2035. Longwall 111 has been deferred until later in the mine's life. Panels 201 and 202 are at a shallow depth of cover and contain high-quality coal to enhance both production and coal quality levels. These panels will be mined using the cut and flit mining technique. This will occur concurrently with longwall mining. The long-term sustainability of the mine and rehabilitation of land involved in mining activities is a key aspect of operating and expanding the mine. All surface disturbance areas are progressively rehabilitated back to its previous use, such as forestry and agriculture, with excellent results in regrowth of native vegetation and grasslands.
Whitehaven's Narrabri mine is a benchmark in underground coal mining, producing high-quality, low-ash thermal and PCI coal for the growing Asian export market. The proposed mine plan will ensure Narrabri is a high-producing, low-cost mine for decades to come.